Hello dear students, welcome to our next class. Now in our previous class we have studied about the kinetic gas equation. उससे पहले हम लोगों ने इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट देखा गैसियस स्टेट का, काइनेटिक थ्योरी ऑफ गैसेस. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने देखा काइनेटिक गैस इक्वेशन. It means the dependence, mutual dependence of pressure, volume, temperature and number of moles of the gas molecules. That equation, that all these things involved in one equation, and that equation was the kinetic gas equation. Now in case of gaseous state, different gas laws are there which is related to this gaseous state. So we will see one by one that different gas laws. So first is the Boyle's law. Now what is the statement of this Boyle's law? Again these all laws are related to pressure, volume, temperature and number of moles. So this Boyle's law, what is the statement of this Boyle's law? At constant temperature, the volume of a fixed mass of the gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. Constant temperature में उस गैस मॉलिक्यूल का जो भी वॉल्यूम है that will be inversely proportional to its pressure. प्रेशर को वो वॉल्यूम क्या रहेगा, इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल रहेगा, और कांस्टेंट क्या रहेगा, टेम्परेचर. सो एट कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ फिक्स्ड मास ऑफ द गैस इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू इट्स प्रेशर. सो मैथमेटिकली वी कैन डिराइव दिस इक्वेशन एज, उसका मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन रहेगा V इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू प्रेशर, दैट इज V प्रोपोर्शनल टू 1/P, or we can write it as PV is equal to constant at constant temperature. PV is equal to constant at constant temperature. Now according to kinetic gas equation, what is the kinetic gas equation? PV is equal to 1/3 mnu square. So this is the kinetic gas equation. PV is equal to 1/3 mnu square. We can elaborate this equation as PV is equal to 2/3 into 1/2 mnu square. इसको हम लोग ऐसे इलेबोरेट कर सकते हैं, PV is equal to 2/3 into 1/2 mnu square. So this equation becomes as PV is equal to 2/3 into 1/2 mnu square. Therefore PV is equal to 2/3 Ke. Ke means what? Kinetic energy. So this हम लोगों ने here 1/2 mnu square की जगह पे हम लोगों ने लिखा है Ke, that is kinetic energy. So this kinetic energy for all molecules of the gas, it is equal to 1/2 mnu square, that is half mnu square. In every gas laws, हर एक लॉ में kinetic energy क्या रहेगी गैस molecules की? half mnu square. Therefore instead of writing half mnu square, we can write it here as Ke. Therefore PV is equal to 2/3 Ke, where Ke is equal to 1/2 or half mnu square. Now here, as we know, the kinetic energy is always proportional to the absolute temperature. The average kinetic energy in the postulate of kinetic theory of gases. Kinetic theory of gases के postulates में हम लोगों ने देखा है the average kinetic energy of the molecule is always directly proportional to the absolute temperature. Absolute temperature को kinetic energy हमेशा proportional रहेगी. So because of that, when temperature is constant, जिस जगह पे temperature constant रहेगा उस जगह पे kinetic energy भी क्या रहेगी, constant रहेगी. So हमारे इस लॉ में, बॉयल्स लॉ में क्या कांस्टेंट है, टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट है. So because of the constant temperature, this kinetic energy, it is also becomes constant. Therefore we can write the whole term becomes constant, which is attached to this kinetic energy. Therefore we can write it as PV is equal to constant. So this PV is equal to constant, it is nothing but the statement of the Boyle's law. What is that statement? At constant temperature, the volume of a fixed mass of the gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. So this is the Boyle's law, which shows that volume is inversely proportional to pressure at constant temperature. So this is the Boyle's law. वेरी सिंपल एंड इजी टॉपिक इज दिस बॉयल्स लॉ, जिसमें हम लोगों ने देखा है टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट है और वॉल्यूम को इनवर्सली, वॉल्यूम ये प्रेशर को इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है. सो वॉल्यूम इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू प्रेशर. While and after putting the kinetic gas equation, we will get PV is equal to 2 by 3 kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is always equal to half mnu square. Therefore, instead of writing half mnu square, we can write kinetic energy. So, because kinetic energy is always directly proportional to absolute temperature, so temperature constant है, इसका मतलब kinetic energy भी constant रहेगी. Therefore, we can write it here as PV is equal to constant, and this is the Boyle's law. Okay, so learn it at home and read it at home. Okay, dear students, goodbye.